Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change DNS on IONOS. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, you can use any browser like Google Chrome. After that, search for IONOS and open the official website. Then, on the home page, click on the sign in button at the top right corner. Over here, click on customer account under the sign in options. After that, enter your email address and click next. Then enter your password and click next again to access your IONOS dashboard. After that, look for the domains and SSL section. Over here, locate the domain you want to change DNS settings for. Then click on the three dots ellipsis next to the domain. After that, select DNS from the drop-down menu. Over here, you will see a list of current DNS records. To edit them, click on the pencil icon next to the record. After that, make the necessary changes or add new DNS records. Then review your entries carefully. Once everything is correct, click on Save to apply the changes. Then wait for the DNS changes to propagate, which may take a few minutes to 48 hours. So that's basically how you can change DNS on IONOS full 2024 guide. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.